somebody walk on this and show me. So now tell me, why has this gone down and touched the ground? One of you, what is wrong with this idea? Why is it touching the ground?
The level of the rope supporter and
Absolutely right. So the height of the support is lower than the stopper, and that is why it is going down. So what needs to be done? Somebody tell me over there. So where should be the support? Where should it be? Okay, and what is the next thing that we learned? That wherever possible, try and make your support rigid and your stopper flexible. Abhi right now, आप क्या कर रहे हो?
We are making our support flexible.
Correct. So if the support was rigid and the stopper was flexible, don't keep tying it. Wait. What did I tell you? How do you make a stopper rigid? Correction. The support rigid कैसे बनाओगे? Absolutely. And now put a bali on top. Correct. And now where should be the support?
We'll make a loop here.
You'll make a stopper by making a loop in the rear. So wherever possible, try and make your support rigid and your stopper flexible. Right? So convert this idea and show it to me again. Now tell me what is wrong with this idea. Somebody tell me what is wrong with this idea, or how can we make this idea better? So that you can enlarge the gap between where you're resting it and what is blocking it from going up. So do that. Just show it to me. कैसे करोगे? It has to be shifted behind, isn't it? So now once you've done that, you will notice that the elevation has gone up. So what should have been done? You could have kind of made the loop looser. You could have loosened it there so that if that was bigger, then naturally it will get depressed from the front, and then reaching ahead would have been easier. Now if you double bridge it, you will notice that the height is too much, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
You will be able to do it?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, quickly correct it then. Now tell me, what do you think? How should the plank be? Just place the plank the way you want it. Just keep it the way you want it. How do you want it? Absolutely right. Absolutely right, isn't it? So you want it like this, and maybe you want to put a rope underneath that support part so that it doesn't touch the blue part, isn't it? ये हो गया. अब लेकिन क्या होगा कि ये distance आगे हम क्योंकि double bridge तो कर नहीं पाएंगे, so it is not reaching ahead. So what is the requirement now? I want to shift this plank ahead, isn't it? So if I were to shift the plank ahead, मेरे को अभी कुछ करना पड़ेगा ताकि plank आगे जाए. कैसे जाएगा? जब भी मेरी तरफ देखो सब लोग. Whenever we want to shift the stopper ahead, speak one word. What should we do? We want to shift the stopper ahead. What should we do? Make a. If I want to shift the stopper ahead, what should I make? Absolutely, absolutely. The moment I make a V, it will get shifted automatically ahead. है ना? चलो बना के दिखाओ अभी.